How to pay later with Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app and log into your account. Then start by browsing the Temu marketplace and selecting the products you want to buy. They have a wide range of items, so take your time and pick what you need. Once you have selected your products, head to the checkout. Here you will see various payment options. Look for the pay later option and select it as your payment method. Next, complete your purchase by confirming your order. At the time of purchase, Temu will charge you the first installment, which is 25% of the total order value. The remaining amount will be divided into 3 payments, each 25% of the total order value. These payments will be automatically charged to your credit card every 14 days. The best part, you will receive your products immediately and you will have 6 weeks to pay off total amount without any interest charges. This feature allows you to make affordable purchases and manage your finances flexibility. Make sure to review Temu's guidelines and don't forget to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees. And that's it. Following these steps, you can easily pay later with Temu and enjoy a convenient shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.